I am Sharifuddin, the new SI of this station. You think you can thrash anyone using cap and uniform? Looking at this situation, I have both of them.
If you have called me for introduction, let's not do it here. This is a lockup.
Look, you country brute. In the night time, people like you are doing rowdyism and running race. Instead of going to the station, do we have to go to the assembly to meet you such people?
I can easily figure out that somebody has given you a clear orders by your hittings only. I always respect this uniform. Doesn't matter who wears it. For that, you don't have to surround me and do this thing. In the whole world of human history, there is no evidence for men delivering a baby, sir.
In that case, I'll deliver for you, man. No, sir. Please don't hit him, sir. Sir, please don't thrash him, sir. Sir, till yesterday we were saluting him, sir.
We will not allow you to hit him.
Oh, if you're showing so much affection, why don't you join him? Go. In order to teach you people a lesson, police like us are very much needed. Even if it's an MLA or a minister, you don't know how to respect them, right? In order to show you their power, they have actually sent me to this station. I'll finish your story right now.
Assalamu alaikum. If I beat you now and if you think that is wrong, to show others power, if you think you have come over here, then you can hit me also. Sharafuddin, police station lockup is not to kick police people. Leave that. To show the power of the political people, why do you remove your belt? Tell me, huh? They have already gone to many areas. By showing their power, they have misbehaved with innocent girls. Then what? Haven't you heard this? Sometimes you need to watch news channels. I think you didn't recognize me. I am the SP. Looking at the position, I am above the SI. Juniors should give respect to seniors. That is the procedure in this police station. If you have forgotten, I will teach you. Salute me! What do you think? Come.
That bald-headed country brute. He took your salute just because he's a higher official, right? In the same way, you should have also written the salute, right, Sharifuddin? I want. For that, IPS intelligence is not required. Power, position, that I have it. After that, money. If it's black or white, we have more, right? Your father, who's a coconut seller, has more of it, right? That is the reason why I have transferred the power of a powerful man to you. Before this in Vaikunta, the Lord Vishnu himself, while getting kicked on the chest, he did not expect it. He was actually posing as sleepy. The place where he got kicked turned into a beautiful place. But the kick which was given to this Vishwanath's body is like a black dot. Until it is vanished permanently, I can't sleep peacefully. Today has given shelter to that poultry lady. Talking about relation, she's his cousin. In that way, after tying the knot and after formalities, they have to come to our place for the first night celebration. In that case, if my brother poses silently, he's okay with the marriage. After that, I have to go to Kashi or Rameshwaram wearing sannyasi clothes. Do you expect such a time, Velayudham?
Just say that, sir.
There's only one way. What it means is, we have to kill him.
So the orders to destroy somebody comes from here, is it? There was a habit before.
Even today, the house's position is the same thing. What the elder brother follows, the younger one should also follow it. If that is the case, you are my guru.
Guru can change the student. Vishwanath, to make them listen to our words or to tell the words, me and you who have traveled for so long and we have to return, our age is not enough. We both started getting grey hairs. By doing again and again same mistakes, don't increase your sins again. Vishwanath, in a human's age, up to 40 years, he can live however he wants. If it is cigarette, liquor and female relationship, our body will tolerate. After 40, our body will start to react. We get diabetes, BP, cholesterol or cancer. To cure everything, there is medicine. To reduce the cholesterol, early morning if you get up and walk for 45 minutes, it's enough. But Soul is not like that. To control the cholesterol inside that soul, not 45 minutes. Even if you walk for 45 years, you can't reduce it. But still, I have started walking. This Chandrakudi Madhavan is not very far to the place where my daughter is. That is why, at this age, by wearing saint dress, if your fate is to go to Kashi, as a student, you should do all those things for your guru. Well, Ayudha, to break or to kill, for all the purpose, I am the one who brought you over here. If I am telling you, you return back from where you came. Today only.
Door is open, Gauri. Because of this problem only I kept door open. But what to do? She feels satisfied only when I go and open it. Who is that? Oh my God, brother.
As days passed by, I was able to forget you. But still, as we born to same mother, we can forget it. What do you say, Lakshmi? The brother who has come here is not the one who throwed you out. I have done many things and I have got it done as heartless. I am the same old brother.
At least you came now. That is enough. I tried many times. Come over to your place. But without the permission, I was sitting and crying all alone. At the time when I left this place, my mind was here only. Because of that, I came back. Other than that, I don't want to hurt anyone. My son done anything wrong in your place?
It's not your son. I am the one who's to be blamed for everything. When I was standing on the top, I didn't see the tears under my feet. Your son made me realize. I have come to your house and I'm requesting you. I want to see my daughter once.
Oh my God, she's not yet come.
If she comes, will you tell that her father had come? I'll leave.